Hey there, welcome back to Testing Docs tutorial. So in this tutorial, we'll see how to use and launch Emoji Panel on Windows 11. So the Emoji Panel lets you to quickly insert emojis, GIFs, and other special symbols into your documents. So to access this tool, press the Windows button and the period key. This will launch the emoji panel for you. So to let's insert emoji in the Word document and see how to use. So click on the Windows dot key combination to access the emoji panel. So you can you can choose and select the emoji that you want to insert into the document. So let's say, and click on the emoji to insert into the document. And similarly, we can uh, insert GIF image, select the GIF and choose the GIF that you want to insert and select the GIF image. Hope this helps. Thank you.